Oh, another one.
I getting it.
Oh, darn it. Are they? Oh, my God.
They are. Oh, we have another.
Where's the train? Oh,
And
my
another.
God. What if it's broken? Should I go? Oh, what's that car doing? Oh my God, accident!
Look, and that guy was gonna go.
Should I do it?
Hell no. We can turn around and go up and around and not be illegal. And
I
again,
want to. If someone else goes, I'll follow.
I guess we can go. If everyone on that side will stop coming at us.
If they go, I'm going.
Let's start checking it out. Oh, they're going. Alright. Okay. Screw the phone. And we have nothing that way and nothing that way.
Oh my God!